Hello viewers, few days ago I have bought a pencil that is Kingone ipencil. It is compatible with all the iPads and I have been using for about 5 days, and today I will tell you about this pencil in detail. Some of the users wanted to know whether I can use this pencil on iPad 10th generation and if Scribble is accessible with this pencil. The answer is yes, you can use Scribble with this third-party iPencil and it works very well. Now you might ask me, what is Scribble? I will show you what is Scribble. In Scribble you can write anything and it will automatically convert into text, as you can see here. Then there is feature of deleting. If you want to delete something, you just have to make like this and it will automatically be deleted. So this is a very good feature. Next there is option of select. You can select any part of the text like this and do whatever you want to do. You just have to make a circle and it will automatically be selected. Then you can cut, copy or autofill anything. Then there is option of inserting something. If you want to insert any text, you just have to make like this. Then there is join. In the join you can adjust the space between the words like this. Now I will give you practically another example. You can have a good use of this iPencil in the Notes app. Here whatever you will write, it will automatically translate or transform into text. Now these are some features. There is pen. Here you can see that I am writing something and it will automatically transform into text. You can use this feature anywhere, whether you are typing in any browser or in any editing apps. You can just write and it will automatically transform into text. So if you are someone who likes to take a lot of notes and then transform them into text, it will be a very good features for you. In this way you can delete, or if you want to add something, you can do that like this. You can delete, and if you want to select something, you can do like this. You can also replace any words like this. You have to select and then you have to write whatever word you want to replace. Okay, suppose I am writing descriptions in place of informations. As you can see here, it has been replaced. So this Scribble feature is very good, but if you click on Scribble button and if you keep it off, you cannot use this feature. As you can see here, there is nothing that you can do. You have to keep Scribble on so that you can use it in Notes app. As you can see here, this feature is not available, but you can write anything. Okay, so I am clicking it and I have kept it on. Now you can see that I can write and it will automatically transform into text. So this is a very good feature. This feature will definitely help you whenever you are taking notes or doing something with your iPen. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to buy this iPencil, I will give the link in the description below. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.